Hello everyone, welcome to Mayu Kitchen Services. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your delicious egg stew. And this is the ingredients you need. You need your eggs, you need your blended ginger, pepper and those things. And you need your vegetables, you need your oil, you need your fresh tomatoes and tomato paste. And these the spices I'm using: it's Maggi, Adobo and smoked mackerel. Please, let's start. Put your fry pan on fire or the saucepan you want to use, and you add your oil, add the onions, the slicing one. The oil should be small hot before you add the onions to it, please. And you stir it. This egg stew you can use to eat with cooked yam, plantain, garri, rice, etc. Yeah, it's not only yam, you can use only this to eat. It's very nice and it's healthy, so try it please. Add the tomato paste. Please like my Facebook page, like it, comment, share it, and follow me on Instagram. Add the blended onions, ginger, pepper, thyme, rosemary. You add those things to it now, and you stir it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and press the bell there. Please help me to stay on social media, please. Add the fresh tomatoes, the one you have cut it already. Add it. Add the spices. Please, if you think the Maggi is too much, you can divide it into two, or if you have your own special spices there, you can add it to it. Please, you should be very careful. Your stew shouldn't be salty, and if the stew is ready, you can see the oil is out. You can see the oil, so that means your stew is ready. And you add your vegetables now. Yeah, don't let the vegetables show overcooked. Yeah, that's why now I'm adding my vegetables to it. And you add your mackerel, or maybe you have tuna, you can add those. If you like it, you can add it. Add the mixed egg. When you are mixing it, you should add pinch of salt to it. Set the heat of fire medium temperature, and you stir it gently, not too hard. You see the way I'm doing it is different the way when I start preparing the stew. So you should make it small, not too hard. Otherwise, if you finish, all your egg is mashed already. And you stop it small, and you continue stirring it until you see it's not soft like this and it's getting dry, but not too dry. It shouldn't be too dry, then you cannot eat. That you stir it gently, yeah, because you're supposed to see the egg inside. Yeah, and now you see how it's look. Is getting to what I want. And taste, if the taste is not good, you can add small salt to it, a pinch of salt. The egg stew is ready. Serve it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching my UK Service.